North Edge has solidified its reputation as a go-to brand for adventure-ready timepieces that blend rugged durability with practical functionality. Whether you're scaling mountains, diving into the depths, or navigating daily life, North Edge offers a range of watches equipped with features like altimeters, barometers, compasses, and smart health monitoring. Their commitment to quality and functionality ensures that every watch is built to withstand the rigors of both nature and time. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 North Edge watches that exemplify the brand's dedication to excellence and adventure. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. North Edge ALPS Watch. Crafted for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, the North Edge ALPS men's digital watch brings a perfect blend of durability, technology, and style. The watch's most remarkable feature is its carbon fiber case, which is 6 times lighter than steel and 3 times lighter than titanium. This makes it an ideal choice for those who need a lightweight yet sturdy watch for their active lifestyle. The material is not only incredibly light but also strong, chemical-resistant, hypoallergenic, and anti-magnetic, ensuring that it can withstand various conditions while offering comfort and protection. The ALPS watch is packed with numerous functions, making it a versatile companion for various activities. With its 12 24-hour time format, perpetual calendar, and the ability to display the month, week, and day, this watch helps you stay organized no matter where you are. The pedometer function tracks your steps, calories burned, distance traveled, exercise time, and even your average speed, making it an excellent tool for anyone interested in maintaining or improving their fitness. Whether you're running, hiking, or cycling, this watch provides all the essential data to help you stay on top of your fitness goals. Additionally, the watch features a stopwatch mode for precise timing, countdown mode for setting limits, and an alarm mode with hourly reminders and a snooze function to keep you on schedule. For those who love to explore the outdoors, the built-in compass is an invaluable tool to ensure you never lose your way, while the EL light function allows you to view the time in low-light conditions, providing added convenience during nighttime activities. The watch also includes a metronome to help maintain pace during various physical activities or training sessions. With a 50-meter waterproof rating, the ALPS watch can handle exposure to water, whether you're swimming, washing your hands, or caught in the rain, offering peace of mind during water-related activities. The low battery reminder is a practical feature, ensuring you're never caught off guard when the battery runs low. The watch is designed to be sweat-proof, further adding to its reliability during intense outdoor and fitness activities. The sleek and rugged design of the ALPS watch, combined with its advanced features, makes it the ideal choice for athletes, adventurers, and anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. The watch's carbon fiber construction offers an ultra-light, durable option for daily wear, ensuring that you can rely on it for your toughest challenges. Pros: lightweight, waterproof, pedometer, compass. Cons: no package, complex functions. Number 4. North Edge Apache 46 Watch. This digital watch is a versatile and reliable companion for those who live an active and adventurous lifestyle. With a design tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes, it combines essential features that ensure you're always prepared for the challenges ahead. Whether you're hiking, running, swimming, or simply exploring the great outdoors, this watch offers a variety of functions to keep you on track. Among its key features is the built-in altimeter, which helps you monitor your altitude, providing a trend chart and climb rate to help you track your progress when navigating through mountainous terrain. The barometer, which measures air pressure, also provides a trend chart, giving you the ability to anticipate changes in weather conditions. This watch includes a compass to help you stay on course during outdoor adventures, while the thermometer offers real-time temperature readings, ensuring you're aware of environmental changes. This watch isn't just for outdoor explorers, it also supports fitness tracking. Equipped with a pedometer, it records your steps, calories burned, and distance traveled, making it a great tool for runners, hikers, and fitness enthusiasts. The time functions are extensive, displaying hour, minute, second, year, month, date, and weekday, ensuring you're always on schedule. 2 separate alarm clocks, a countdown timer, and a stopwatch provide all the timing functions you may need for various activities. In terms of ease of use, this watch features an EL backlight, which ensures you can read the display even in low-light conditions. A battery life reminder is also built in, preventing the inconvenience of a dead battery when you need your watch the most. Additionally, the button tone can be toggled on or off, giving you the flexibility to customize the user experience according to your preferences. Water resistant up to 50 meters, this watch is well suited for swimming and other water-based activities, offering durability in a range of conditions. It is designed to handle the rigors of outdoor adventures and is ideal for anyone who needs a tough, reliable, and multifunctional watch to keep pace with their lifestyle. Pros: durability, functionality, fitness tracking, versatility. Cons: bulkiness, complexity. Number 3. North Edge Evoque 2 watch. This sleek and sophisticated digital military watch is designed for those who value both style and functionality, with a special focus on sustainability. Equipped with solar drive technology, this timepiece uses any available light to power its movements, making it an eco-friendly option for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint. The watch harnesses light, whether it's from natural daylight, office lighting, or even dim indoor bulbs, to convert into energy, ensuring that the watch runs efficiently for months without the need for regular battery replacements. On a full charge, it can function for up to 180 days, even in low-light environments, which means you can go about your everyday life knowing that you won't be caught with a dead battery. The Evoque 2 is built to last, with a robust design that can handle various outdoor and military-inspired challenges. Its 50-meter waterproof rating makes it suitable for swimming, diving, and other water-based activities, adding to its versatility. The watch's stainless steel cover is crafted from 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance against wear and tear. With a metal watch case and a 24mm wide silicone strap, it's not only strong but comfortable on the wrist as well. This watch is a tribute to aviation, blending cutting-edge technology with a sleek, military-inspired aesthetic. With a size of 46mm in diameter and a thickness of 14.2mm, it provides a bold look that suits a variety of occasions, from daily wear to more extreme outdoor adventures. The metal case has been carefully designed for durability, while the silicone strap ensures comfort and a secure fit for active individuals. One of the most significant advantages of the Evoque 2 is its sustainability. The solar drive technology allows you to forget about traditional battery replacements. Simply charging it with ambient light from your surroundings ensures that you stay powered up for months, even in low-light settings. This feature makes it an excellent option for anyone seeking a hassle-free and environmentally friendly timepiece. With a battery life of up to 6 months on a single charge, you don't have to worry about your watch running out of power during your day-to-day activities. Plus, the watch's luminous dial ensures readability in low-light or nighttime conditions, making it a perfect fit for those who require a functional and reliable timepiece in all settings. Pros: sustainability, durability, comfort, luminous display. Cons: size, weight. Number 2. North Edge CrossFit 3 watch. This cutting-edge smartwatch is designed for active individuals who demand precision, versatility, and performance in their wearable tech. The CrossFit 3 blends advanced GPS technology with a wide range of health and fitness features, making it an indispensable companion for anyone looking to track their workouts and improve their overall well-being. Whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or hiking, this watch is built to enhance your experience with accurate data, real-time tracking, and a host of other smart features. At the heart of the CrossFit 3 is its 1.43-inch AMOLED HD screen, which boasts a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. This ultra-clear display ensures that you can easily view your metrics, stats, and notifications in vivid detail, even under direct sunlight. The watch's full touchscreen interface makes navigation smooth and intuitive, and the high-quality AMOLED panel offers vibrant colors and deep contrast for a superior viewing experience. Whether you're checking the time, reviewing fitness data, or receiving app notifications, this screen is both functional and visually appealing. Equipped with multi-satellite GPS support, the CrossFit 3 provides highly accurate positioning for all your outdoor adventures. Its dual-band, dual-frequency satellite positioning enhances accuracy, ensuring that you can track your location and distance with pinpoint precision. Combined with the built-in altimeter, barometer, and compass, this watch is perfect for hikers, climbers, and adventurers who rely on accurate data to navigate through unfamiliar terrain. The health and fitness tracking capabilities of the CrossFit 3 are extensive. It monitors heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, and sleep, giving you a comprehensive view of your health. Additionally, it supports over 130 sports modes, from running and cycling to yoga, swimming, and HIIT. You can set personalized goals, track your progress, and receive reminders to stay active, ensuring you're always motivated to push yourself further. The watch even offers a sedentary reminder, encouraging you to take a break if you've been inactive for too long. With a long battery life of up to 20 days on standby, the CrossFit 3 ensures that you're ready to go, whether you're training for a marathon or heading out for a weekend getaway. The watch is also waterproof up to 50 meters, so it's perfect for swimming and other water-based activities. The 580 mAh battery charges in just 2 hours, providing you with reliable power for weeks of use without worrying about constant recharging. The CrossFit 3 isn't just about fitness and navigation, it's also packed with practical features. You can control music, take remote photos, set alarms, receive app notifications, and even use the flashlight for emergencies. Plus, with over 10 language options, it's accessible to a wide audience. Whether you're at the gym or on a hiking trip, this smartwatch offers the versatility and performance you need to stay on top of your fitness and daily activities. Pros: GPS accuracy, sports modes, AMOLED display, long battery life. Cons: size. Number 1 in the winner is North Edge Aqua Watch. Designed for serious divers and water sports enthusiasts, this professional diving computer watch is a must-have for those who want to take their underwater experiences to the next level. Offering a wide range of features tailored specifically for diving, along with a durable, high-performance design, this watch is built to handle both the extreme conditions of scuba and free diving and the rigors of everyday wear. The watch offers detailed time functions including standard hour, minute, second, month, day, and week displays, which can be switched between 12-hour and 24-hour formats. The countdown and stopwatch functions are ideal for timing dives, exercises, or any other activities, ensuring precise tracking of time. For those looking to monitor physical activity, it tracks step counts, exercise time, pace, mileage, and calorie consumption, making it versatile for both diving and fitness tracking. A standout feature of this diving watch is its robust scuba diving mode. It measures essential diving parameters such as depth, temperature, diving speed, and no decompression limit time, which is crucial for managing safe dive times and decompression schedules. It also includes a log function that stores up to 99 dive records, allowing divers to track their past dives and monitor their performance over time. Additionally, the watch has a free diving mode, which displays key metrics specific to free diving, such as depth and diving time. For divers who prefer more control over their dive settings, the watch allows users to set safety levels for different diving situations, including cons, norm, and AG. These modes adjust the allowable decompression times based on the safety factor chosen, ensuring divers can tailor the watch's settings to their preferences and diving habits. The watch also features a compass calibration function, ensuring that you're always oriented and can navigate underwater with ease. The compass angle, depth, and dive/surface speed readings are presented clearly, providing divers with essential navigation data in real time. This makes the watch perfect for both novice and seasoned divers who require accurate, easy-to-read information during their dives. With a waterproof rating of 100 meters, this watch is designed to handle not only surface activities but also demanding underwater environments. Whether you're scuba diving to greater depths or free diving, this watch provides reliable performance without the risk of water damage. It also offers additional features such as a backlight function, which ensures visibility in low-light conditions, a thermometer for checking water temperature, and a low-power reminder to ensure that the watch is always ready for use. Pros: diving features, waterproof, log function, versatility. Cons: size. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.